My name is Ann Lasky, and I'm the Community Engagement Lead at Second Harvest Heartland. Second Harvest Heartland, we are a food bank here in the Midwest. We serve 59 counties in Minnesota and western Wisconsin, and really our role is to work with 1,000 different hunger relief partners to distribute food to people who need it. We're kind of the engine that fuels the hunger relief network, and the donation means a great deal to us. We can equate it to 10,000 meals that we're able to distribute into our community. Right now, we're living through the hungriest winter in memory. And in 2021, more than 816,000 people reached out for help, which is 1 in 6 of our neighbors. So this donation is helping reach kids, seniors, families in the community who are having a hard time making ends meet. For every $1 that's given to Second Harvest Heartland, we can provide 3 meals. So that's a very easy way to make a very big impact. Another way is to come volunteer with us. Our doors at our Brooklyn Park facility here are always open, and we would love to invite you to come repack food with us, whether it's fresh apples or onions or potatoes, into smaller quantities that are distributed right to our food shelf partners. It's a fun experience, and just that donation of time makes such an impact. Thank you, Rihm Kenworth, for this donation. It's making an incredible impact on the 59 counties in Minnesota and western Wisconsin that we serve here at Second Harvest Heartland.